Hi students, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's topic is collocations. Second semester degree first year. మనకి collocations అనే కాన్సెప్ట్ ఉంది. It sounds new to you some of the students, but you know it's a very interesting topic to learn, especially collocations. First, what is the meaning of collocations? Collocations means పదబంధాలు, which means two words or more that go together naturally in any language, that is collocations, very naturally. So we can't separate those combination of words. Even if we use the combination of words separately or with a mix with another words, that sounds odd to the native speakers. That is, in every language these collocations are there. Take for example in Telugu, have you ever listened Bharya Mogudu, Amma Tandri? Never. Amma Nana, Tallidandrulu, Bharya Bhattalu. So this is the combination in Telugu, you know. Like that in English also some of the words have collocations, so that is different. So what is natural in one language may not be the natural in the another language. Take for example, I tell you in the correction of sentences, teachers explain you he is running 16, which is wrong in English language. He is running 16 is wrong usage. He is 16. He is 16 years old. He is 16. That's the correct answer. But whereas in Telugu, Mavadi Padahar Nadustundi, absolutely not at all a wrong usage. Nadustundi is a correct usage in Telugu language, but whereas in the English language, the same usage is a wrong one, and we wrote that one in our correction of sentences. Like that in Telugu and in English, of course, as I said number of times, every language has its own rules and regulations. Don't compare and don't compare both languages. So it's a mistake. Now number of collocations we have in English language: verb plus noun, noun verb, adjective noun, noun, verb preposition, adverb adjective, verb and adjective combination. So in this video I would like to teach you some of the collocations in English. Take for example first one, verb plus noun. Verb and noun. So you know, keep quiet. Keep is the verb and quiet is the noun. So like that, tell a lie, give an example. So like that, noun and verb, another one. Birds chip. Bird is noun, chipping is the verb. Birds chip, dogs bark. Okay, that is a noun and verb collocation. And the next part is adjective and noun. So adjective and noun: front door, heavy traffic, high standard, long time. These are the adjective and noun. Next one, noun plus noun: debit card, window seat. That is noun plus noun. And verb plus preposition: congratulate on, expelled from, believe in. That is a verb and preposition. And the next one is adverb and adjective: happily married, fully aware, highly recommended. And verb plus adjective: say clearly, cry loudly. So these are the few collocations we can go through in this degree second semester. This video is only just for an idea on collocations, and the next coming video I make a video on collocations through digital board. Okay, thank you students. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. This is your NAREN Kumar sir. Thank you.